Hi everyone. In this video I am going to explain about the polynomials. So in this polynomials the topics to be covered are what are polynomials and the degree of the polynomial and what is the value of the polynomial and what are the zero of the polynomials. These four topics I will cover. So first of all, what is a polynomial? What is a polynomial is nothing but the polynomial are the algebraic expressions with real coefficients, with first of all real coefficients, and the powers of variables are non-negative integers. Powers of coefficients are non-negative integers. What is meant by non-negative integers? Means except the negative integers remaining all 0 with positive integers. That's why we will write z plus union the set 0. Z plus union the set 0 is called as the non-negative integers. Okay. Example, we'll consider that suppose in a rectangle the length of a rectangle is 2 times its breadth. Length is 2 times its breadth. So breadth is equal to x, length becomes 2x. Then what is its area? L into b. L into b. So L is 2x into x is nothing but 2x square. Is it a polynomial or not? Yes, it is a polynomial because the coefficient is a real number and the degree is a coefficient is real number and the degree 2 is a non-negative integer. Like that only we'll consider one more example. Suppose the root 2x square plus x by 2 minus 3. Is it a polynomial? Yes, it is also a polynomial because the coefficient is root 2 here and x coefficient is 1 by 2 and constant, that means x to power 0 here it is, then whose coefficient is minus 3. All belongs to root 2, 1 by 2, minus root 3 belongs to the real numbers. Therefore, it is a polynomial. It is a polynomial. Suppose one more example I will tell. X square plus root 3 root x plus 1 is given. 3 root x plus 1. So here it is not a polynomial. Not a polynomial. Why it is not a polynomial? Because x square is there. Second term x root x means x to the power of 1 by 2. The power is what? Non-negative, not a non-negative integer. The power is not a non-negative integer. That's why it is not a polynomial. And one more example we'll consider. 1 by y minus y. 1 by y minus 1. Is it a polynomial? This can be written as y minus 1 whole to the power of minus 1, since 1 by a can be written as a power minus 1. So it is not a polynomial as the degree is not a non-negative integer. Okay. Next. So from this we can do this. From this we can do this from the textbook. So here state which of the following are polynomials. So 2x cube. Is 2x cube is a polynomial? Yes, it is a polynomial. Two conditions satisfied. Coefficient is real number and degree is non-negative integer. And 1 by x minus 1. So 1 by x, as 1 by x is equal to x to the power of minus 1 we will write. So the degree is non-negative integer, it is not a polynomial. So 4z power 2 plus 1 by 7. Yes, it is a polynomial. These two are polynomials and this is not a polynomial. Second one is not a polynomial. Next. Coming to the degree of the polynomial. What is the degree of the polynomial? Degree of a polynomial is if p of x is a polynomial, the highest power of x, p of x is a polynomial, then the highest power of x in p of x is called as, highest power of x in p of x is called as degree of the polynomial. Suppose 3x plus 5 I will consider. 3x plus 5, what is the degree? In the first term 1, second term x power 0, this is 0. So highest degree is 1. The degree of the 3x plus 5 is 1. Okay. Next. Next, for example, root 2x. For example, root 2x. What is the degree? 1. Because Here it is a degree 1. So these are called as linear polynomial. It is called as a linear polynomial. Suppose I will write one more thing. 2x square plus 3x minus 1 by 5. What is its degree? 2. Why? First term 2, second term 1, and in third term 0. The highest value of highest power of x in the polynomial is called as the degree of the polynomial. So degree is 2, and it is called as quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. And that means here the linear polynomial may contains one term or two terms also. Suppose root 2x plus 3 you can write. The maximum number of terms is 2. Here in quadratic polynomial you can write 3 terms or 2 terms or 1 term. Suppose simply I will write x square. It is a quadratic. Otherwise I will write 3x square minus 6. It is also a quadratic. It has 1 term, it has 2 terms, and it has 3 terms. Okay. So the maximum number of terms is 3. So see the table I will give. The general form, so type of polynomial is linear polynomial, and standard form is ax plus b, and maximum number of terms is 2, and degree of the polynomial is 1. Like that quadratic ax square plus bx plus c, and a should not be equal to 0. Here also a should not be equal to 0. The condition is like that. So the condition is nothing but a is not equal to 0 in everything. A is not equal to 0. And the maximum number of terms and degree of the polynomial in the 4 varieties. And what is the general form of a polynomial? General form of a polynomial is a0 x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 plus a2 x power n minus 2 plus and so on an minus 1 into x plus an means x power 0 here you will get. And the conditions are a0, a1 and so on. An belongs to the real numbers, and a0 is not equal to 0. A0 is not equal to 0. But because that is the leading coefficient, leading coefficient of anything is not equal to 0. So this is the table you have to understand. Next, coming to value of the polynomial. Suppose p of x is equal to x square minus 6x plus 5. P of x is equal to x square minus 5x x square minus 6x plus 5 is a polynomial. Then what is its value at x is equal to 1? So that is nothing but p of 1. So 1 square minus 6x plus 5, 6 into 1 plus 5. So 1 minus 6 plus 5 is nothing but 6 minus 6 is 0. So the value of p of x at x is equal to 1 is 0. Suppose you will take one more at x is equal to 2. So p of 2 becomes 2 square minus 6 into 2 plus 5 is nothing but 4 minus 12 plus 5 is 9 minus 12 is nothing but minus 3. So minus 3 is called as the value of p of x at x is equal to value of p of x is minus 3 at x is equal to 2. Okay. So if value of p of x is 0, then it is called as 0 of the polynomial. It is called as the 0 of the polynomial. So for 0 of a polynomial, for second degree polynomial, I explained already by splitting the middle terms, you can do the second degree polynomials. Splitting the middle term I explained in other videos. You can follow that also. So the four topics covered are what are polynomials and degree of the polynomial and value of the polynomial and 0 of the polynomial. So from that what you observed, what is the note you observed? So first of all, the note is nothing but what is the degree of a constant polynomial? The degree of a constant polynomial is nothing but 0. Because if you take the degree of a constant polynomial, constant can be written as suppose 7 is there. 7 is a constant. This can be written as 7x power 0. So what is the degree? Degree is 0. Degree is 0. So generally we can say that degree of a constant is 0. And second point is maximum number of terms we discussed already. So those are the maximum number of terms is n plus 1 and beginning with 1. So second degree polynomial will contains 2x square is a second degree polynomial, or it contains standard form contains ax square plus bx plus c, already I discussed. Okay, next one more is maximum, one more important point we covered, we should learn is the maximum number of zeros. The nth degree polynomial has n zeros, has n zeros. Nth degree polynomial has n zeros. Suppose x square minus 1. What is this? Second degree polynomial. How many zeros it will have? To find out the 0, make it is equal to 0. Then x square is equal to 1. And x is equal to root over 1 is nothing but plus or minus 1. So x is equal to plus 1 and x is equal to minus 1 are the two zeros of the quadratic polynomial. Okay. Sometimes it may be the equal zeros. That means you can consider x square minus 6x plus 9, x square plus 6x plus 9. So it can be written as x minus 3 whole square is equal to 0 and x minus 3 is equal to 0, and then x is equal to 3 it becomes. Okay, it has two zeros but they are equal zeros. So second degree polynomial has maximum number of two zeros only. Okay.